Hi, if you're wondering how to charge the JBL Go 5, this is a fairly easy procedure. What you need is a normal USB-C cable. It does not have to be USB-C in both ends, but can also be a USB-C to USB-A cable, for example. You will also need a charging brick that fits the cable you have. If you don't have a charging brick available lying around, the Go 5 can also comfortably charge from a USB port on, for example, a computer. This here is a 27 watt Apple power adapter, but basically any normal USB adapter of around 5 watts will do the job just fine. To actually charge the speaker, just plug the USB cable into the USB-C port on the Go 5 speaker and the other end into your power adapter. And then connect the power adapter to a wall socket. One small note here is also to make sure that there is no water or liquid in the USB-C port before starting to charge, in case you have used the speaker, which is indeed completely waterproof, in a wet environment previous to charging it. Charging is then here indicated by that the bottom LED strip switches in between a thinner and a larger light, and when the speaker is fully charged, the light then turns completely off. Also, if the speaker is powered on while charging, it instead displays its chosen light setting and only displays the charging animation for a few seconds when the cable is inserted. If the speaker is powered off, it instead shows the charging animation the whole time until the charging is completed. Also note here though that it is perfectly okay to use the speaker even when it is charging. A full charge from a completely depleted speaker takes roughly 3 hours to complete. Alright, hope the video helps. Also, please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.